Alright guys, so this is a continuation of last week's video. Are you ready? Okay, so we made pasta last week guys, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use that pasta to make a dish. Okay, I'm going to be making pasta al limone. Okay, yeah, this is a very popular Italian dish and I'm going to show you how to make it real quick. Okay guys, it's nice, it's easy, and it's tasty guys. If you're new to the channel, can you subscribe to the channel? If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. I really appreciate you, and I hope you stay tuned, watch the video to the end, like this video, share this video, be a part of the family guys. Let's get right into the video. Let's go. Boom. All right, so we're gonna start by cooking our pasta, and we're gonna turn up our heat right now, and then we're gonna put on our saucepan. Okay, and this is filled with a lot of water. This is what we're gonna be using to cook our pasta. Okay, so this is our water and we have it on heat, and we're going to let it boil, okay, before we place in our pasta guys. So now I'm just going to go ahead and generously season our water with some rock salt. Okay, don't be shy guys, a lot of salt, that should do, and we'll let this boil. Okay, alright, so while we are waiting for our water to start boiling, okay, we're now just gonna go ahead and make the sauce for our pasta al limone. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and pour in some olive oil into my pan, and note this guys, I'm doing this off the heat. Okay, I'm gonna go in with some olive oil, about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. There we go. And then I'm just gonna break off some mint leaves. Just about 4 or 5 leaves of mint, that would do. If you want more, I mean, it's totally to your preference. Okay, so if you want more, you add more. If you want less, you add less to it. Okay guys, so there's about 4 or 5 leaves of mint, fresh mint guys. And next off, we're gonna need the zest of 2 lemons. Okay guys, using the grater, we're gonna grate everything. So once we have the zest of the first lemon, what we're gonna do is just cut this into 2, and then we add the juice of the lemon into the pan. Okay, and note this guys, we are doing this off the heat. Okay, you don't want to do this on heat. Okay guys, and the other one goes in as well. So now for this other lemon guys, I'm just going to grate half of it into it right now. I'm going to use the other half for garnishing. Okay, so I'm just grating about half of the zest into it right now. I know somebody's going to say this is a lot of lemons, but yes guys, it's pasta al limone guys. It needs a lot of lemons. I've seen recipes that use about 3 or 4 lemons, but I'm just going with 1 lemon guys. Yeah, so this would do. I'm also going to go ahead and add in the juice of this lemon. So now we have this part of the lemon. Okay, and as you can see, this part has not been zested. Okay guys, so yeah, I'm going to use this for decoration. Okay, after we're done with the pasta. Alright guys, so this is what we have, and then just mix it around. We're just going to leave this here, right here. Okay, and wait for everything to get nice and like ready before we go ahead and put it on heat. Alright guys, so as you can see, our water is now like boiling, and all I'm going to do now is just drop in our freshly made pasta. Okay, now using a chopstick, I'm just going to go ahead and separate everything so they don't stick together. Okay, and this should just take about a minute or 2 to complete cooking. Alright, so guys, after a minute, I'm just going to take this off the heat, and I'm going to lower this heat right here very low, and then I'm going to place on this. So on a very low heat, we're going to fry this up for just about a minute so it gets nice and fragrant. Okay guys, alright guys, so after about a minute, then I'm going to go ahead and take in our pasta, and we're going to put it directly into our pan. Now it's fine if all the water does not drain from the pasta, okay, because the water is now full of starch, okay, and it's going to help the sauce, you know, like thicken up. So it's totally fine if your pasta does not, like, you don't drain all the water from your pasta. There we go. So everything goes into our pan. So now we have all our pasta in our pan. All we're going to do is just mix everything together, guys. So as you can see, guys, let me give you a quick close-up of this. As you can see that the sauce is beginning to thicken up, okay, and that's because of the starch from the pasta water, okay. So yes, don't really strain out all your water, okay. It's totally fine if a little bit of that water gets into the sauce, all right. So this is still on a very low heat. So we're not going to add in some cheese, okay, and using Parmesan, okay. So I'm going to grate in some Parmesan cheese. And then we also go ahead and mix everything together. So now let me just go ahead and give this a quick taste and see if it's okay. Just a little one. And I think that's really fine, guys. I think I'm just gonna go ahead and scoop in a little bit of our pasta water, just a little bit, guys. A little bit of our pasta water. And then we pour straight into our pasta. Now this is now looking good, guys. This is really looking good. So I just turned off the heat on this one, guys. And then all I'm gonna do now is just place my plate right here. Just gonna add in some of my pasta. I'm gonna go ahead and grate in some lemon zest. Just a little bit of lemon zest. Some extra Parmesan cheese. And then finally I'm gonna add in some fresh mint. Just a little snaps of it. This right here, guys, I tell you, is the perfect pasta al limone, guys. So here we are, okay. Let me just go ahead and give this a quick taste. There we go. Oh my goodness, open up, guys. Let's go. Alright, guys, now first thing I have to say, you really taste the lemons, okay? It's very sour. And now the cheese we added to it, okay? That makes it very creamy, okay? So everything just comes together nice and creamy, guys. Honestly, it's really good. I think this is very good, guys. Open up. Let's go.
Alright guys, I just want to say this is a very basic recipe that I saw and I just decided to try it out, okay, yes. But if I'm supposed to change something or add something different, I'm going to add garlic, okay, yes. It needs a little bit more aromatics like garlic and a little spice like chili flakes will do, okay, so yes. That's the only thing I think I'm going to do different next time.
Alright guys, so now listen, because of the lemons and how sour they are, okay, like you kind of taste it here at this spot. Yeah, so like that's where you get most of the taste, right? And like this is very new to me. I just saw it, I felt like, okay, this is really good. I need to try this out and see. I'm not disappointed. It's okay. It's really good, okay? So yeah, this is the end of this week's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you're inspired to put this a try on, okay, guys? I hope you do try it out and I hope you tell me how you think about it, okay, guys? So yes, thank you for watching this video. Kindly subscribe to the channel, like this video, share this video, and I'm going to see you in another video, guys. Peace out.